technology's changed in the last 3 or 4 years. It's going to change again, and significantly, presumably, before we get to 2020. Is any sort of legislation that is finally agreed, assuming it is, now going to actually be applicable by 2020?
Well, this is a very, very relevant point. In particular, we're talking about the Energy Efficiency Directive and the compromises that may or may not come out of there. We've put forward a compromise from our side in saying don't necessarily legislate for displays, because arguably, yes, those technology will change, but actually in the meters you install, so that if a member state has to roll out smarter metering, at least make sure that's got an interface in the meter that can then talk to whatever comes in the future. And we've said if it's based on a current European standard for that interface, then at least there's a fair degree of future-proofing of that technology, and also the cost of doing that will be marginal in comparison to what they're doing already. There's certainly benefit in having some standardisation of the technology, but I think we'll never get to a situation where we'll have complete standardisation of all this equipment. And certainly the philosophy that we've been taking forward in the European standardisation world is to provide a number of not competing but compatible different standards. So you can do it, you can pick almost a pick and choose. That if you want to go for a full set of functionalities, there are standards available at European level that allow you to do all those, or you can pick out a lower number of functionalities. And that's the philosophy that's been adopted, which provides, say, the right level of standardisation without saying everyone has to do the same thing.